So hello guys, in this video I will explain about the zoo gift box timings for the different regions of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nigeria. If you want to add your country in the list, just comment down below. Let's move on to the timings and the amount of feed you will get. So the first gift box will appear on the map at 12:15 UTC. It will provide you with 3520 animal feed and duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 5:45 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 5:15 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 6:15 pm. For Nigeria timing it will be 1:15 pm. Second gift box will appear on the map at 15:15 UTC. The reward will be 1038 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 8:45 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 8:15 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 9:50 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 4:15 pm. Now our last gift box will appear on the map at 20:15 UTC and the reward will be 255 animal feed and duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 1:45 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 1:15 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 2:15 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 9:15 pm. So I will provide you with both of the timings and the duration of feed. So follow us on our Telegram channel to get the latest update. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a like. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.